I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop newly installed apps from automatically adding an icon to your Android home screen. Step 1. Go to your Android home screen and find a blank section of the display that doesn't have any apps or widgets. Step 2. Tap and hold your finger on that empty space until a menu pops up on the screen. Step 3. Tap Home Settings or simply Settings with a gear icon depending on your device. Step 4. Look for an option that says Add App Icons to Home Screen, Add New Apps to Home Screen, or Auto Add Apps. Step 5. Tap the toggle switch next to this option to turn it off. Once it is disabled, any new apps you download will only appear in your app drawer, leaving your home screen exactly the way you want it. As a quick tip, if you are using an older version of Android, you might not find this setting on your home screen launcher. Instead, you will need to open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, select Settings, tap General, and then turn off the Add Icon to Home Screen toggle from there. If you ever want to manually add an installed app to your home screen in the future, just open your app drawer, long press the app icon you want, and drag it right onto your home screen. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.